Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I will be doing a step-by-step tutorial on layering HTV on a fitness top. So let's get started. I have already uploaded my image to Design Space. If you need to know how to upload designs to Design Space, I will link a video down below that will show you how to do that. I am going to go to the left panel and click on Upload, and here's my image, and I'm going to add to Canvas. It comes in really big, so I'm going to go up here and click on the width and make it a little smaller. Now that I've made it a little smaller, I can start making some changes. The first thing I'd like to do is ungroup everything. And there are some parts of this image that I do not want. So I'm going to go over to the right panel and click on these dots that are here. So I'm going to click on the dots. I'm holding down my shift key and clicking them all, and then click delete. As much as I love hearts, I don't want them in this design. So I'm going to click on these as well and delete them. Now I want to change the color of the design. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on Wake Up and hold down my shift key and click on It's Time To. Go up to the color box and click on blue. Then I'm actually going to go over to the right panel to click on Beauty and Beast and go to the color box and click black. Now I need to change the color of my equipment. So I'm going to click on this kettlebell here and the one here and make them gray. And I need to work on the barbell, so I'm going to go over here to the panel and actually ungroup it because they are all grouped together. And I want to click on my outer layer first. So here and here, I will make those black. Then click on that second layer and make those blue. And then that inner layer, I want to make it black. As I look at this, I feel like there's a lot of black in the image, and I want to try changing this inner layer to gray. I think I like that better because it gives it a little bit more balance in the three colors that I'm using. So I'm going to keep these colors the way they are. And the last thing I want to do is change the size of Beast. So I'm going to click on Beast and drag and open it up just a bit. And I'm going to shift it over. But as you can see, it is touching the T here. So what I'm going to do is go up, unlock it, and I'm going to make it a little shorter. Then I am going to bring it down just a bit. I'm going to go to the right panel and click on everything that is blue. So I'm holding my shift key down and clicking on all the blue images. And I'm going to attach them. And what I want to do from here is keep this highlighted and click on Shift and click Beast. Go to Align and click Center horizontally. So now I know that it is aligned properly with the entire design. I'm also going to go back into this panel and click on all of the pieces that are black. And I'm going to attach them. And lastly, click on all the gray pieces and attach them. So now all the pieces are together. So we can click here and all the gray pieces disappear. I can click here, all the black pieces disappear. So we know that all of the pieces are attached to the proper color. Before we go to the make screen, I'm going to highlight over everything and size it for my shirt. And I want to make this 9 inches. And it automatically resizes the height. This is good for my shirt. I'm going to click on make. And now that we're in this screen, you can see that all those pieces are attached with the proper color. I want to click on mirror on every mat. When you're working with HTV, you want to make sure that you always mirror your designs. And then click on continue. In this screen, all of your cut options appear. And for this, I'm going to use everyday iron-on for all 3 colors. Okay, so all the vinyl is cut out, and I will begin the weeding process with this gray piece. I am just double checking that all the middle pieces have been weeded out of each color. I got this shirt out of the fitness section in Target. The feel is amazing to the touch and equally amazing on the body. I'll be sure to link it below. I've already pre-pressed the shirt, so I'm going to lint roll it before applying the vinyl. Because I'm layering vinyl to create one design, I'm starting with the blue layer and measuring it to make sure it is centered. Then I will add the other 2 layers to give it one last review with the entire design laid on the shirt. I found this SVG in a bundle on Creative Fabrica. Of course, I'm going to link it for you all, but there were some cute and funny sayings that could be used to create fitness shirts. I already have another SVG saved to make another shirt in the near future. By the way, the blue vinyl is Tech Wrap's Metallic HTV and the black and gray are Caesar Easy Weed. Everything looks good to me, so I'm going to head over to the heat press. I start by removing the gray and black layers. I'm only going to press each layer for about 3 seconds, which is just enough to tack it down and add the following layer. I do this because I've learned from past mistakes that if you press each layer for the entire 15 seconds, the vinyl begins to shrink and your other layers won't fit properly into the design the way they should. The shirt turned out so cute, and I absolutely love the metallic blue paired with the black and gray. If you work out often, I highly suggest grabbing this shirt from Target. There are other colors to choose from, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to buy a few more. I love this shirt, and there will be no thought process on what to wear for my next workout. I'm ready. See, I told y'all I was ready. I want to thank you all for watching today's tutorial. I hope it helped with how to prepare your SVG in Design Space for layering and gave some tips on how to easily press your layered designs. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new. It really helps my channel out and it is much appreciated. Also, click the bell notifications below so you don't miss any future video of mine. And if you haven't exercised or gone for a walk or intentionally moved your body today, I encourage you to do so. Okay, y'all, I'll see you in my next one. Later, guys.